In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show multiple databases in one view in Notion using linked views. First, open Notion and create a new page, or go to the page where you want your dashboard to live. Think of this page as your control center, where you'll bring together data from several different databases, like your CRM, your tasks, or a goals tracker. Click into the empty page area so your text cursor appears. Now, we're going to insert a linked view of an existing database. Start by typing a /, then begin typing linked view of database. As soon as you see the option for linked view of database, click on it. This tells Notion that instead of creating a brand new database, you want to create a view that points to one that already exists elsewhere in your workspace. A menu will appear showing databases in your workspace. If you don't immediately see the one you want, click Show More to expand the list. From here, select your sales CRM database. Notion will drop a full database view onto your page, but remember, this is just a mirror of the original. Any changes here will reflect back to the source. Next, adjust the view so it's actually useful for you. Click on the view name at the top, usually something like Table or Name, and rename it to something descriptive, for example, Sales Overview. You can then customize properties, filters, and sorting so that this view shows exactly what you need, such as active leads or deals in a certain stage. Now let's add another database to the same page to start building a multi-database dashboard. Move your cursor below the first linked view, click to create a new block, and again type the / followed by linked view of database. Select the option, then in the database list, start typing to search, and this time choose your goals tracker database. Once the goals tracker linked view appears, repeat the same idea. Click the view name, rename it to something clear like Goals Overview, and tweak the layout and filters so it highlights the information you care about. You can keep adding more linked views this way, one below another, stacking them to create a single page that pulls together your sales CRM, goals, tasks, and more. Use icons or clear titles above each view to visually separate them, and feel free to collapse or rearrange blocks to keep your dashboard tidy. By the end of these steps, you'll have multiple databases visible and manageable from one Notion page, making it much easier to track your work without jumping around your workspace.